Let's make some steak and eggs with crispy green chili oil. Gonna season up some New York strips with salt, pepper, garlic, then thinly slice some shallots and garlic. I'm gonna shallow fry these guys till they're crispy golden brown. Pull them off and then add all your ingredients for that crispy green chili oil to a bowl. Pour over some hot oil to get it nice and crispy, then add in the shallots and garlic. Mix it together and set it to the side. We're gonna cook up some steaks till they're 120 internal. Once they're done, pull them off, let them rest, and then we're gonna cook up some parboiled potatoes, season with salt, pepper, garlic, then drop some eggs into the skillet. Pull it all off, slice into your steaks, top the steaks onto the potatoes and eggs, and serve with that crispy green chili oil over the top. Make sure to get that perfect bite and pop that yolk and dive right in.